Hi everyone, I'm Jane Trotter and welcome to Accelerando Piano. Today's tutorial is all about learning to play a B major scale. I'm going to start you off with separate hands first, just one octave, and then we'll look at it hands together. And then we'll progress up to 2 octaves. Again, separate hands first and then together. So let's get started. We'll put the overhead camera on and I will take you through the right hand of B major. Now, B major's got 5 sharps and a lot of students think, oh no, that's going to be really hard. It's got that many sharps. It can't be an easy scale. But it's actually a really nice scale to play. It's very good for learning your keyboard geography and getting a sense of where your groups of 2 black keys are and your groups of 3. So here we go. Here's your right hand. So we're going to start with your B, and then you've got these 2 black keys kicking in. Then your thumb turns under for E, and then you've got the next 3 black keys kicking in. And then your little finger up on top, back you go, thumb on E, 3rd finger over, and down to B. So it works really nicely. You've got your B, those 2 guys together, E, then those 3 black keys, and then your B. So I'll do that one more time. Up to your 3rd finger, thumb turns under, all the way up to 5, back you go. So the fingering is just reversed. Okay, left hand. Now the left hand B major is slightly different because we don't start with our little finger. In fact, I'll show you what it would be like starting with your little finger, and you'll see it's going to be a little uncomfortable, a little awkward. So if I start 5 on the bottom, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to keep my 3rd finger over on the black key. It's doable, but it's a bit uncomfortable and it would be tricky at speed. So we're not going to do that at all. We're going to start with our 4th finger on the bottom. So here we go, 4 on your B, and then 3 and 2 are on those 2 black keys, thumb on your white key, and then 4th finger turns over and that gets around those 3 black keys, up to your thumb, walk it back, and you're back to your 4th finger. So when it's hands together, we can do this. So we start there, 2s and 3s on your 2 black keys, thumbs on your white key, all good. Then 4s, 3s and 2s for these guys. So you've got that as a nice block together. Up to 5, walk it back, thumbs on your E, that's all good. 3s and 2s for those ones, and down to your B. So I'll do that through once more. And there we go. Now I've got this page for you, which you can download from the Accelerando Piano website. It has got the keys that you need up on the keyboard there. You can see the B, C sharp, D sharp, and so on. And it's also got the scale underneath, complete with key signature, all the notes, and the fingering. So you'll be able to use that as a good reference. I would do it separate hands first, and then just slowly and gradually put it hands together. Now, let's have a look at it 2 octaves, and we'll do your right hand first. So again, let's put the overhead camera on, and let's check out your right hand. Now, the right hand uses the standard C major fingering pattern, as I said before. So we will be thinking 3, 4, 3 around your thumb turns. So here we go. 3, then your thumb. Up to your 4th finger, then your thumb. 3, then your thumb. Walk all the way up to 5 on top. Come back down again. 3 goes over. 4 goes over. 3 goes over. So 3, 4, 3 around your thumb turns. Let's see what happens with your left hand. So we're going to start on your fourth finger, remember? Seeing it's a bit different. So 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 goes over. Then 3. Then 4. So walk back to your fourth finger. Thumb turns under. Back to your third finger. Thumb turns under. Back to your fourth finger. Thumb turns under. So in your left hand, the pattern is 4, 3, 4. So it's reversed. Right, let's try hands together. Now, what's really useful to remember is that your thumbs are on the white keys all the way through. We've got 2s and 3s for those pairs of 2 black keys, thumbs on the white key. 4, 3, 2 for those ones, thumb on the white key. 3s and 2s, thumb on the white key. 4s, 3s and 2s. Up we go, comes back down again. Thumb on your white key. 2s and 3s, thumb on your white key. Same again, thumb there. Now, a useful way actually of playing this one is to do it in sort of a block chord pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the black keys together. So I'm going to do this. So I'm kind of chunking the fingering, and that just helps to reinforce your patterning. Thumbs on white keys, 2s and 3s, thumbs on white keys, 4, 3, 2, thumbs, 2s and 3s, and the B at the bottom. Now, I have got some scale pages, which you can also download from my Accelerando Piano website. So these scales are the white key major scales, and they're 2 octaves. And you can see here that I've highlighted the key signature notes. And I know some of my students really like it when they're highlighted, so they can see what the black keys are coming up. But if you don't want to do that, I also have a version without the highlights. So you can choose which you would like to do, with highlights or without. You are most welcome to download both. So there we go. That is your B major scale. I hope that's been helpful. It's a fun one to do. It's not as hard as you think. Don't be put off by the 5 sharps in the key signature. So have fun.